Hey, we are. We're going to a waterfall in a park, and then after that, we're going to Olive Garden. I feel like that's a really weird mix, but you know.
Why didn't you trying to go?
I don't know what would have been better, but like Olive Garden just sound crazy. I got on my swimsuit.
No horses allowed.
Yeah.
Is it a
Imagine selling your soul to the U.S. government.
Did you actually?
I actually did. Like I actually did.
Every single one.
He sold his soul.
Yeah, you did.
For a Camaro.
You shouldn't have to pay.
No.
Yeah. Right.
What the school?
What's up to say?
Tuition.
I'm just trying to get some pictures.
Did that, I really would have been saying fuck school.
If the pictures don't come out right.
I'm just in it for the money now.
If the pictures don't come out right.
You think they're not?
See, this is what I was talking about.
Untanned ass nigga. Low haircut ass nigga. Oh, Sarah. No hairline.
Oh.
You're a hater, Sarah.
No money on your court.
You look like Nubian goddesses.
Oh my God.
This is my wife. We've been married for 6 years. And we have 2 children.
2
Dogs.
Oh, yeah.
You see those sandals?
One named one is named
Penelope. And the
What?
second one is named Unapi. And those are our babies. We're from Oklahoma. Raised in the country, city born. Raised in the country.
Did you say raised in the country, city born? Yeah.
And this is a vlog into our family.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Amen.
Amen.
Nigga in the military and can't protect us. What you mean you don't got a gun on you?
Useless as fuck.
It's different because you're supposed to be certified.
I am certified.
Well, he said he's certified. Believe him or don't.
I don't. Y'all, please look at Shell. Back up a little bit. We gotta get the whole frame. Hold on. Like, come on. Please don't play. Like, please. Please don't play.
Is this for the vlog?
Yes. Oh my God. Y'all, I'm not earthy at all. I can't do this. This is rough terrain. I can't. Oh my God, it hurts. I can't. Oh my God. Even that.
Yeah, I walk back in my own tail, but the walk there, cute.
It's rocky.
Because it's like multiple rivers. Well, not rivers.
Bro, why you so
close?
I'm just your biggest fan.
Oh, okay, thank you so much. That's so sweet.
Put her on.
Yo, is the finger good?
Choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga.
Why are you breathing so hard? Are you good? Are you sure? 'Cause I can hear you all the way over here, so I'm just like,
You just want to say something.
the pine cone. Oh my God.
She look like she finna go on a I think she ate first. She look like she finna climb a mountain. Oh, are you finna go on a
No, I did not know that was you. Oh God, I did not know that was
Wait, I ain't even asked you yet. Can you go run that course for me right quick?
Like, I did not know.
Like your fastest?
Just put it
What are these bears? That one puddle? Oh God. Okay.
What do you mean you're allergic to cockroach dander? Exactly. Like, Yeah, that's what I said. So be careful. Okay. Yeah.
It's too cold. I'm sorry. Girl. What y'all finna do?
She got a woman across 2 bitters all night. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit. Ooh, baby, heavy on my empty mind. Shit, I gotta keep the motion first a minute. Still